Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block a contact on emo. So if someone is bothering you, sending unwanted message, or you want just a privacy, don't worry, blocking a contact on emo is very easy. Open the emo app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. At the top of this chat screen, tap on contact name or profile picture. This will open the contact files or settings. Scroll down, look for the block option, tap block. You will see a confirmation message asking if you're sure. Then tap yes and confirm, and that's it. This contact is now blocked. And that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.